Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Maria Muhammad Vlogs. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cook a dal. See, so we are going to cook a dal, and we will mix it with palak. आज मैं दाल में बना रहे हैं और पालक भी मिक्स करते हैं. Okay, so okay guys, now here's the ingredients. We will mix हल्दी, देखो, और चिली पाउडर, दो स्पून, ये वाला स्पून, 2 चम्मच, और लहसुन. अच्छा बात सुनो, इनकी दाल है ना, इनके नाम की दाल ये हरहर के दाल, ठीक है. So later I'm gonna show you how I'm going to cook this. So for now we have to boil. Now guys, I'm just cooking quick because now I have gas. Look, now I have gas, that's why I'm cooking now जल्दी. ये देखो, दाल तो थोड़ा सा हो गया, ये देखो, और ये पालक भी डालो. ये देखो, ये पालक ऐसे काट करना है. ये देखो, छोटा छोटा काट किया और अभी भी डालूंगी. सही है. और ये बाद में खुश हो जाएंगे. Later when it's done, it will small and then we will blend it. Then just try to mix, and later I'm going to show you what is the next procedure, what we next need to add. Okay guys, so now we will wait until the palak is done. We will wait until the palak is done. Once it's done, we will add the tomato and then the green chili. Guys, so now we will continue. See, we will add chili and tomato. Here, 3 pieces tomato. Listen, tomato is, we have to remove the skin. We have to peel the skin. So later, when we put in the dal, when we mix it, so it's not gonna be problem for us. Okay, see, this I'm gonna do. I always remove the skin of the tomato, then later I will mix it in the dal. Okay, just continue, just keep doing like this. Okay guys. Okay guys, so now देखो, दाल तो हो गया, और पालक भी है, और ये भी डालो, टोमेटो और ग्रीन चिली. सही है. और टोमेटो हो गया है ना. Even if it's not done, we will blend it later. Okay, just slow fry. So now we will wait again after 10 minutes or 15 minutes. ये देखो, हो गया. So now we will wait until it's cold and then we will blend it, and then we will add the imli, the sour taste. Then we will add everything. So now we will cook the side dish food, the potato. So I'm gonna show you. For now I will make it hot the pot with a slow fire, just a slow, and I'm gonna show you how I'm going to cook the potato. So guys, see, here's the potato, 3 pieces, because we are not too much, so I'm just cooking it small. So we will peel it, we will remove the skin of the potato, and we will cut into small and thick pieces. And I'm gonna show you how I'm going to cook it. Okay, so just let's continue, just keep doing, just peel the skin, okay, and I'm gonna show you the next procedure. Guys, so now it's done. So I'm gonna show you how to cut this, and I'm gonna tell you how much thick. See, just like this. See guys, just like that. Not too much muta. Just continue also do like that. Okay, so guys, here's our ingredients: lasan, chili powder, and haldi, and this one is zira, and this one is rahi. So now it's done cooking. So guys, now it's hot. We will add oil. Not too much of oil. So this we will add water. This one we have to add water, and we will mix it. So first we will put the rahi. See, as you can see guys, this is the rahi. See guys, I add the rahi. The fire must be not fast, just slow. Okay, slow fire. Once the smells are coming in, so we can add the zira. But like I told you, we don't have the kari pata, so we don't need that to put. It's not just necessary. It's necessary, but it's no problem. And this that I told you, we have to add the water. So now we will add this. Once our masala are done, little bit melt, so we will add the potato. Okay? We have to wait until the masala are done. So now we will just cover it with, and then slow fire. So guys, now I'm here. I'm going to show you. I have to blend this, the dal, and then the palak, the spinach. So now I'm going to blend it. So I'm not gonna show you how to blend it because I know you know how to blend it. I'm just telling you, okay? So guys, we will continue. This the masala is still not done. The oil must become up. Then now we will add small salt. Just small, not too much. And later we will check again if it's okay. So we will wait again after 5 minutes. Just cover it again, just continue and wait for 5 minutes. So guys, here na the dal and then the palak. See, you can see, now it's done, see. So now we will add the parsley here and salt. We will add 1.5 salt, and later we will check again if it's okay or not. And of course we will add imli. This is imli. Some people who don't know what is imli, my all kababayan, this is the imli. It's a sampalok. If you don't have this, there's available in the market. It's already clean. See, you have to do like this, and you have to add the water from here. Okay, you have to add the water, but make sure don't put it also together, the seeds. Don't mix it. So just do like that. See, as you can see guys, this is the Indian food, and we will check if the taste is okay or katta, because some Pakistani are like not too much katta. So If it's the katta or kam, so we will add again. We will add more. So now we will check if it's katta okay. It's still not, katta is still not sourness is still little bit, not too much. So same procedure we will do. We will just add this water and we will just do like this. Guys, make sure that your hand is clean before you do like this. But honestly, this is look like dirty, but this is not dirty. This is a clean food. If you are not used to, you will just feel like a dirty. But of course, as your own food, you have to cook your own food and you know how to clean it by yourself. So you know it by yourself that it's clean. So we will do like that, and after that we will throw these seeds and we will rate this and we will boil it. Once it's boiled, we will add the onion, and I'm gonna show you how I'm going to add the onion later. So now we will boil this. The sour is okay, so now we will boil. See guys, now we will wait until it boils. As you can see, look, our dal, it's look yummy. And we will check about this, the salad of the potato. Okay guys, as you can see, it's done. See, the oil is come now up. So now we will add the potato. Here's the potato. See guys. So we will add this and slow fire only. Not too fast fire, just a slow fire. And later, after 10 minutes, 5 minutes, we will mix it to cook it properly. Now, before you cover it, we have to mix it so the all masala are individual with all potato. Once you mix it, we will cover it again and we will wait for 5 minutes to mix it. Okay? So guys, now we will check our dal. Our potato. I already mixed it before, I just did not show. So now it's a little bit dry now, and the potato also it's done. So now what we're gonna do, we will check the namak if it's okay or not. Namak, it's okay. So now we will off this fire and we will check our dal if it's done or what. It's still not. Sorry. So now we will just mix it and we will check later after 5 minutes once it's done boil. And I'm gonna show you the next procedure for. So we will wait under 5 minutes. Okay. Okay guys. So now the dal is boiled. So now the last procedure also to make this. Here I make hot the fry pan. We will add oil to finish this vlog. We'll add oil and we will wait until it's hot, and we will brown this piyaz and zira and rahi. Then we have one ingredients that we don't have, the rahi, the curry patta. Like I told you that curry patta is for the smell. It's nice for the dal. As you can see guys, we don't have that, so you no need to worry. You can cook as long as what you have. Okay? Oh, Moise come from the school.
Assalamualaikum.
Hi. Go change and put from Namaste.
Okay.
So now Moise is just come from school. Now time is 2:10. So I will just finish the food. I will make it brown this piyaz and I will add in here in the dal, and after that I will cook the rice papar. This is nice for the dal. It's really good combination of the dal. You will see guys later. So okay, bye bye. So guys, as you can see देखो प्याज थोड़ा सा ब्राउन हो गया और बाद में राई और जीरा भी डालूंगी. ओके. So So now we will put the rice. And after 1 minute, 2 minutes, when we see the rice is just like boiling, like this boiling, so we will add the zira. So we don't have curry patta, so no need. It's not just necessary, but it's for taste good, really bilkul, and for the smells also. So now we will add this here in the dal. We will add in our dal. Okay, guys. So now we will off this chula and we will add this onion here. So the smell is really good and taste. And quick, we have to cover it. And we have to cover it quick. And the rest we will clean and then we will also. So now we are done our one dal. So guys, now we will cook the pepper, the side dish of the dal. We will wait until it's brown, hot. So we will wait until more 5 minutes. See guys, this is pepper. This is in a Filipino they will think this is just like a chips. But in Pakistani, this is a papar. This is one of the side dishes of the Pakistani food of the dal, especially if the dal is katta. Katta means sour. In Urdu, katta. In English, is sour. Okay? So just continue and fry how much, as long as your family, how much you can eat. Okay, guys? Hello guys, so now we are here. We are going to take our lunch. See, look, all is ready. Look, my husband's food and look, and my food also is ready. So I would like to tell you about something, guys. If you love to eat the Pakistani food and you know how to value the Pakistani food, this dish belongs to Indian. My mother-in-law mother. This belongs to India. It's really good. If you are only here, I can share with you, and you will say, oh, it's really nice, the Pakistani food. It's a Indian food is really good. So now I would like to say thank you to Ammi also, because she shared this when I was there with them. So now I'm preparing this food for my husband, and he is really enjoying his food, because I know that he will like that, because he liked the katta food. So now we will enjoy our food and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Maria Muhammad Vlogs. Thank you. I love